Welcome to MCQs for Judiciary Exams program. Today's first question is, what is the principle that requires courts to follow previous decisions called? Option A, judicial review. Option B, principle of natural justice. Option C, rule of law. Option D, doctrine of precedent. The correct answer is option D, doctrine of precedent. Recently, in the NBCC, India Limited versus the state of West Bengal and ORS case, the Supreme Court emphasized the importance of specifying the purpose of a judgment within the text of the judgment itself. Article 141 of the Constitution deals with the doctrine of precedent, which stipulates that the law declared by the Supreme Court shall be binding on all courts within the territory of India. Second question is, Section 144 of BNSS 2023 corresponds to which section of CRPC? Option A, Section 144. Option B, Section 125. Option C, Section 134. Option D, Section 145. The correct answer is option B, Section 125. Recently, in the Reena Kumari, alias Reena Devi, alias Reena, versus Dinesh Kumar Mehato, alias Dinesh Kumar Mehato, and another case, the Supreme Court clarified that maintenance proceedings under Section 125 of the Criminal Procedure Code are civil in nature, despite involving penal consequences for non-compliance. Section 125 of the Criminal Procedure Code or Section 144 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita deals with the order for maintenance of wives, children and parents. Section 125, subsection 4 of the Criminal Procedure Code deals with expectation where maintenance is not allowed. Third question is, what is the main purpose of Section 9 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955? Option A, to provide grounds for divorce. Option B, to allow adoption of children. Option C, to enforce restitution of conjugal rights. Option D, to settle property disputes. The correct answer is option C, to enforce restitution of conjugal rights. Section 9 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 deals with restitution of conjugal right. This section provides a legal remedy to either spouse when the other has withdrawn from living together or cohabitation without reasonable justification. Fourth question is, which section of the BNSS deals with the right of private defense of property extends to causing death? Option A, Section 41. Option B, Section 42. Option C, Section 43. Option D, Section 44. The correct answer is option A, Section 41. Section 41 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita or the BNSS states that the right of private defense of property extends under the restrictions specified in Section 37 to the voluntary causing of death or of any other harm to the wrongdoer, if the offense, the committing of which, or the attempting to commit which, occasions the exercise of the right, be an offense of any of the descriptions enumerated. Last question is, the principle of Ellis pendens pertains to option A, public utility, option B, auction sale, option C, bona fide purchase, option D, fraudulent transfer. The correct answer is option A, public utility. The principle of Ellis pendens is based on equity and public policy. The doctrine of lis pendens is enshrined under Section 52 of the Transfer of Property Act 1882 in India. This section deals with the effect of transfer of property pending a suit or proceeding. Now it's time for practice question. The relief by the way of mandatory injunction is option A, discretionary option B, prohibitory option C, mandatory option D, none of the above. Share your answers in the comment section. Thanks for watching.